How does the enrollment process work with Boatnose Credit? First of all, we send you out a link to pull credit. You are required to send us over your username, password, and last four of social. Then myself or my team will contact you and give you what's called a free consultation or evaluation based on your credit journey. During this process, we will explain to you what it is that we are disputing, the time parameter, the things that you want in your credit, your objectives, your goal, things that you're looking to accomplish. Also, during that process, we require you to stay active in one of the monitoring services that we pick are of your liking. During that process, we update your report every 30 days. Depending upon the program you are in, your time can be that 30 to 60 day window, or you can be a 4 to 6 month time frame. So every 30 days, myself and my team will send you out what's called a credit summary, explaining everything that was deleted, and hopefully nothing new was added, but we will also see that too. We want to know exactly what's going on, what's transpiring, and so do you. So during this process, we require that you keep the monitoring services that you pick active so we can continue to update your report every 30 days and give you the results that you desire.